Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a full-body version of Rhinox from the new Transformers Rise of the Beasts. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Rhinox, let's start over here and we're going to make the eye. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up like this. Then I'm going to curve a line down and up. I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to go down and up with a check mark and then make a little curve for the eye. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to make the horn. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up really far. I'm going to bring this down towards the other eye and make it a little farther down. I'm going to curve this in and down, and then in and over to here, leaving a little bit of open space there. Next, I'm going to bring this one down. Now, right here, I'm going to make the nose. So I'm going to make a little hook shape here, and then a small hook shape over here. And then I just like to color this part in on each side. Let's bring a line that goes over and then up on each side. Then we'll bring it down a little bit. Then we'll come down, over, and then bring it up. I'll bring this line up and then in here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up here. Next, I'm going to curve this around and I'll bring this up. Right here, I'm going to make a curved line that comes down. We'll go over, and then I'm going to curve this right to here. I'll make another line that's going to come around. We're going to go up and down here. Right here, I'm going to make this line go up and down for that second horn. And a little curved line here. I'm going to put a little curved line right across there. Next, I'm going to bring this line in and around to here. I'm going to come up. And we'll go down a little bit. Then I'll curve this across towards the horn. Now, right here, I'm going to bring this line up. And then we're going to come down here. I'm going to bring this out and in, and then connect it to here. Next, we're going to go up, over, and down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the ear, so I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and in. Then we'll curve down and come up, kind of like an upside-down hook. Over here, we're going to come up and curve it around. And same thing here, bring it up and down just a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to go down and over. And then one more is going to go down, over, and then in. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to go out, and we're going to curve it in. We're going to come up, and then down to here for the back. Right here, let's curve line that's going to come down. We'll make a little curve in. We'll come down, and then up to here. I'll draw two lines that come down. I'm going to bring this one down and over. This one we're just going to go down, bring it up and down here. Next, we're going to connect this with like a curve. We're going to start the leg here. Then I'm going to go out, come down, go up, over, and then up here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up, over, and then come up. Then right here, we're going to go down, over. We'll come straight across and up here for the top of the foot. I'll make a line here and a line here. Then I'll make 2 lines right there. For the toe, let's go down. We're going to come over and then back up. And I'll make a line that goes up and in here. Next, we'll go down, over, and we'll go up and in for another toe. And I'll make 2 lines with a line across. Then over here, we're going to go over, up, and then over to here with a line. And right here, we're going to go up and then in. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over, we're going to go up and over here to the face. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and up. Now, I'll put the toes over here. So we're going to curve down. We're going to go over, bring it up here. Next, we're going to come down. We'll make a couple points and up. And one way here, over, up, and in. Make a line that goes over and down. We'll go up and over on each side, and then up and over on each side here. Then we'll make a little line across here. I'm going to put a little curve shape here. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to go out. I'm going to curve this down. We're going to go up and down and into here. We're going to go out, down. We're going to come down and over. Next, right here, we're going to come down. We're going to go over, over, and then up. One more, we're going to come down, over, over, and up. And one more, down. We're going to go down to a point, over, and up. I'll make a line that's going to come down. We'll go over to here, over, and then back up for the top of the foot. We'll make some more toes. We'll go out, down, over, and up with a little line. We'll go down, over, and up. And we'll do a little line across. Then over here, we're going to go over, up, and over to here. Over and up, and a little line here. Next, for the tail, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to curve this up. We're going to go over and bring it back around. And then we're going to come up and make a little point here. So we have our basic Rhinox here. We just want to add some of the different details on here. So let's start on the tail. We're just going to make some little pointed lines that come all the way across here. Right here, I'm going to make a line here and a line here. And then I'm going to make a broken line that comes right to here. I'm going to bring this line up. And we'll do a little curve right there. Next, I'll make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come here and come down. Right here, I'm going to go down and then curve this in to give it a little more of like a three-dimensional look. I want to put a little curve that's going to come up, over, and down with a little rectangle shape right here. A little broken line here, and a little line down. Make a little line that goes in and down, and right across. Do the same thing right here. I'm going to curve a line that's going to come in and down, and then one up here. A little broken line up here. Make a line that's going to come down, over, and up. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around. We'll make a little line that goes down, over, and up. Another one that goes down and over. Over and curve to here. We'll make a little line here, and a little line that's going to go over and down. We'll make a line that goes up and then over. Same thing here, up and over. I'll make a little curve here. And a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve and come across. Two lines here, and then two lines up here. A little curve there, and then a little curve or two right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of Rhinox from Transformers Rise of the Beast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.